us recording this. Oh my goodness, they know who we are. The background looks fake. Oh. Hey y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, if you can hear us, we're downtown Chicago and we're looking at this beautiful view. We're enjoying quality time, bonding time. It's our favorite time to spend together. And yeah, like we're just hanging out together. We're just hanging out together, enjoying each other's company. And yeah, it's a good night. It feels good. It's a little chilly. It's getting chilly. We walked the whole river walk out. Well, I don't know.
Most of it. We walked probably like 75%.
Okay, 75% of the river walk.
Ooh,
what's going on? Come on, quality. Y'all, you would think we were recording off our phones at this point. Okay. Yeah. But yes, we downtown. Having a great time. Talk to the people.
Great time, great time. Downtown, just chilling. Enjoying the bonding time. Got a beautiful view. Got the water right here.
Got me right here.
Got that sexy pizza.
Ooh. Yeah. That sexy pizza what?
Chocolate.
Let me ask you a question.
So,
ask me a question about you or something.
So what's my favorite color?
Elliott's favorite color is red.
What was my first pet?
Missy Elliott. A turtle. Okay. Recording live from this beautiful fountain. We are currently downtown Chicago. Our beautiful city. You might think I don't know him, but I do.
Yeah, I told you all back the day the way y'all came up.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Let me show y'all the full thing. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. I just love my city, man. You just cannot beat it. Y'all, and another thing. So, you know, like when you're recording, people gonna stare at you. But it's always good to just smile and wave. Blow a kiss or something, you know? Oh yeah, I did my nails, y'all. Let me show y'all. Elliot, what my nails remind you of?
Candy corn.
Yo, he said around a candy corn. But that's good though, because I was going for the Halloween theme. I mean the fall effect. So yeah. Alright you guys, so if we go and get some food, I will come back on here and let y'all know. But as of right now, we're just chilling, bonding together, just talking, laughing, and planning for our beautiful future together. Alright, bye guys.
Look at over the water was like bloop. Start shooting out.
Y'all, this water out of nowhere.
I'd be mad as hell if I was on that side. Damn. I picked the cup up. Oh, what the hell?
Everybody around us recording us. Oh my goodness, they know who we are. No, just play.
Our fans. Oh, fans.
Y'all, this is so nice.
How do you feel? It's like a shoot.
I feel great. I feel blessed. I feel encouraged to finish out the rest of the week. I feel beautiful. I feel loved. I feel valued. I feel understood. I feel great.
Okay.
How about you?
You know, feel blessed.
Okay.
You know, feel amazing.
Okay.
You know, a little breathtaking right now.
Okay.
You know, birthday in 17 days. You feel me? A little anxious.
Okay, y'all. We not even gonna say it.
Right, I gotta stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Just know your girl did her big one for my baby's birthday. Just know that.
Okay, now I really don't know nothing. I don't know that much, but yeah, it's gonna be a movie.
It's gonna be a movie.
It's gonna be a movie.
Oh, you look really handsome. I said you look really handsome.
Thank you. No, I try.
Yeah, all that. Okay, guys. Well, y'all, people start coming around us. But yeah, we'll be back. Catch you guys in a minute. Love ya. Hi guys. So the time is now 11:30, and we just made it home. We were supposed to finish out the vlog a little bit earlier, but we were having a great time together. So this is the end of our vlog.
Good bonding time.
Great bonding time. We appreciate y'all for watching. We'll be back. Hopefully next week we have a little more footage with and we have weekly dates. So we'll see where we go next week and get a little bit more footage for y'all. But yes, thank you so much for tuning in. We had a great time with you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.
Stay tuned.